guys, it's me, Giselle. How's everything? Hope all is well. Okay, let's get right into this. So I have been getting on my Giselle's beauty advice at gmail.com page, you can see it in the description, questions about utilizing Lashify or just a cheaper alternative, and does it work the same, right? Or what can I do? So I just wanted to go over a really good look. Lashify, for it can be expensive, and so I wanted to let you guys know about something that was very inexpensive. As a matter of fact, I went on Amazon, and this thing is called LASHVIEW. I don't know if you guys can see that, which is this right here. You see that right here? And they work very nice, because who wants to use their Lashify Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even though you don't change them out? At least for me, maybe I change it out weekly, 5 days or so, because I want to wash off. But no one wants to change it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or if you go longer than that, and using Lashify and everything. So I want to give you a really good hack too, and you can use Lashify like I did at the wedding. I'll probably insert a picture of me, but yeah, you can use Lashify for like a wedding or some type of event, or just your Sundays or whatever. But for me, I just wanted to let you guys know about this really good hack. And look, they actually have it on sale. I was so shocked because when I brought this, I didn't get it on sale. It was $10, but I didn't get the glue, all the other stuff. And if you can see here, you're getting, guys, look at the price. I don't know if you can see this up close. Where is it? It's normally $15. God help me. It's normally $19.99. Honey, they have them on sale for $6.12. And you're getting the eye curler, the Lashify 4-pack, right? The glue, the bond, and just for $6. And today is the 15th, I believe, the 16th, and it's telling me it will come by the 19th, which is 4 days from now, right? So see that, 69% off. They're great. I wouldn't tell you to go get it just because on sale. I've used these. There's another one that I use I wasn't crazy about. You see, I'm not doing I just didn't do a review about it. Usually I won't. If I do a review about something I'm telling you not to do, it's just because everybody's on it and you shouldn't do it, okay? But these are really good. But I'll tell you how to use it to make it be the best, okay? The reviews, when you look at this, everybody loves the lightness of it, and I don't think they're on, just like Lashify. I do not think they're on. The difference is, I hear about the glue. I've never used these Lashify's glue, but honestly, I'm sorry, LASHVIEW, not Lashify, LASHVIEW, this one, I've never used their glue. I've always just used their eyelashes, okay? What I'm getting, and I'll put it in the description below, I got it from Amazon. I got the large natural D kit, because it has a flare and you can put it at the bottom. What I really like about these is, you can't see it here, but these are 16s. So I map mine with like 3 16s at the end. Maybe 3 14s in the middle, and then 12s right here. And they work fine. They work fine. And I like that they didn't skimp on giving me my 16s. Because most of us glam ladies like to do the 16s. But if you don't, you got 14s, you got 12s, and you got 12s. And you can also go there. I'm sure they have some 12s. But this is a great buy. Rush, rush, rush. Don't stop. Pass, go. Collect $200. I'm joking. Get these, okay? So, anyways, I'm going to put them on. And I'll start them and just show you, okay? I just want to make a really quick thing because I want to give you guys, get this ASAP before it's all out. These are $16.99. Can you see that? They're $16.99. They're $6.12. Okay, And look at all of this stuff you're getting, whether you use it or not. It's like freebies. And I have had this. It says, let me tell you when I brought this. I'll tell you. Okay, I just went to it. Delivered August 16th of 2024. August. We're in November, ladies and gentlemen. And I just use them weekly. Mainly this one. There was a wedding and went on vacation. And I did, you know, throw the Lashify on. But for the most part, honey, I've been living off of this. I can't make this up. And remember, you don't change these weekly. I mean, you don't change these daily. You change these weekly, okay? So I'm going to put them on and you tell me. And what I do is I utilize another brand of glue. And I'll show you right now. Hold one moment. Okay, so here's the glue that I use. It is the Lilac Street glue. I use it in the clear. It's beginners friendly. And you can just see mine's is a bit beat up because I use it so much, but it's right here, guys, right there. See, Lilac Streak, same thing, really good. I like Amazon because it comes fast, and you just base it there, and it gives you time. That's why it's beginners friendly. It doesn't dry up. I remember one time I put this, a phone rang, I had to email something and do whatever, and literally like an hour later I went back to, because I was working from home, and it was still sticky, and I was like, and I just put it. So it's really good. And this is a person that uses Lashify, you know what I mean? I use Lashify, but I use Lilac Street glue more. Okay, so this is my go-to. Their lashes are good too, but their lashes are $12 for a pair, which is great, right? But why not, if I can get this on sale, and all these are pairs? Think about it. This is a pair, this is a pair. You know what I'm saying? These are pairs. Like, they're just lasting. And sometimes so I'll show you. Hold on one second. Okay, so I just got finished putting this glue on both sides, and literally within, I don't know, 30, 60 seconds, especially if it's new, it'll start taking. So I'm going to map them and start putting them, okay? I just started using these. I like these for some reason. Maybe because I got more professional, I guess, whatever. But I'm taking 16s, like I said, at the bottom. I'm going to put the glue on top, and then I'll start using them. So I'm just fast forwarding this for you guys. I just want to let you guys know, as I put these on, as you see, I've already started. And for those of you who've never seen me put these on, I have a video in the channel. If you go through my videos, it's called Lashify, and it shows you more in detail exactly how to put the lashes on. And as you get more skilled, you'll know how to tweak it to your liking. Okay, I've been tweaking this to my liking. So again, I put this at the bottom of the lash line, not the lash line, the actual lashes, but you don't touch the lash line. And then you put the glue at the top right here, okay? But the reason why I came back is this is something I incorporate from different products. This is Lashify's glass. You do not need it, but you know how sometimes you put glue and then right here it can get sticky? This makes it where it doesn't get sticky. So if you want to, you know, even if you don't buy Lashify and you feel like when you put in the glue it gets a little sticky, you can do that. So I did that too right here. You can either do it like that, or you can just do it, and it really does work. It really, really, really does work. And I find that it doesn't get sticky anymore. So I just want to let you guys know that. Okay, I'll be back with almost finishing what I have to do to actually stick these lashes on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, voila, I'm done. Do you see that? How pretty it is and how nice. I literally put, like, maybe, like I said, 3 16s each, 3 14s, and then 2 12s. I could have put more, but I just wanted more of a natural look. Okay, so what I'm going to do when I link at the bottom of the description, this is volume. Okay, so what I have on now is volume. The one that I ordered that's coming the 19th, 4 days from now, it is called Natural Sea Curl Link pattern. So I will be putting all of this in the description below. I hope you guys like it. Again, I used the Lilac Street glue, and I love this. I actually like this a little bit better than the Lashify, only because I think you have to be really, really, really professional for the Lashify, and for me it just took a little bit longer to dry, and it gets dry faster. Well, it gets dry faster, whereas this stays sticky. Okay, and a lot of times when I finish, I end up putting like a glue. You can skip this part, this is not important, but you can put like to seal it. And look at my Lashify video if you want to learn about stacking. Stacking is like if you get something weak in between and you put another lash to bond it and seal it like that, which I layered it, stacking. I didn't just put them side by side. I put one and then I over layered it a little bit and over layered it so that it can be like a boulder wall, a load bearing wall, you know, to have that protection. And when you finish, you know, you can use Lashify. Lilac Street does have the strong glue that you can just seal it. I'm just doing this because sometimes I mix it up. I really don't want to confuse you guys. And then I use the glass to seal it. But anyways, I'm not going to confuse you guys. Again, like I said, the same glass that you'll use at the bottom, when you let this, like 2 minutes later, you just go in and do like that. And it stops it from glue. It stops it from, like, if dust, you know, in the air or whatever, it just makes it bounce off. It makes it very glassy where it doesn't pull the pollen and whatever to your eye. So if you want, I'll connect this glass. It's from Lashify. It's the only one I've used from Lashify. I don't know if Lilac Street has it. Maybe they do. But I just tell you the ones that I like. All right, guys. Love you so much. Thank you for watching. And I will be putting out another video about something else regarding my hair. Bye. Please subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe and like and share.